Well, hello YouTube. Our objective in this tutorial will be to find out frequency of occurrence of character inside a specific string. So we will not use any kind of additional headers or functions here, just the good old scanf and getS function. Nothing special, guys. So let's roll with a practical solution. First, that string. As many times up till now, some string and let's say 100 characters, and also we are going to have that specific ch which represent that specific character. Now what about counter? Because obviously we need one. It will start from 0, so counter equals 0, and then we will get stuff from end user like enter some string, new line, and getS this time function. So it's not scanf. Scanf will be used for individual character that we search for. GetS to get full string, including white spaces. So like full sentence. That's what we care about. Some string is a object here, like a target. And now what is a character we care about? Enter a character. Now we will say scanf, and of course placeholder will be C, but this time we must use ampersand and put stuff into ch, into character. For loop starting point x will be 0, let's say, and just as in a couple of last tutorials when we are searching for end of string with a /0, so same stuff here. If that specific x is not equal final /0, we can proceed with operations like usage of character, copy pasting of character, or checking frequency of that specific character. Now inside the for loop we're gonna have additional check. If that specific character equals some string, that specific x, then we will just increment that counter, so counter with plus. Okay, and now we can just print frequency of that target character. Frequency, hopefully I typed that correctly, of that specific character. Of course that's integer as a final thing, and we need to respect order. So what is C? C is that character, okay? So ch and counter and counter, total basically. So let's just grab it and put it here because it is the next in a line. There is my return. There you go. Okay. I think this will work. Enter some string, test. Okay, and now we are searching for, let's say, t. Searching for t, there is 4 of them. Frequency of t character is 4. So that's cool. What if we have something a little bit bigger, like this is just a test, nothing more than just a test with a dot. We are searching for again t, but before that how many of them we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Oh, 9. Why 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, 9. Well, 9. So that's the final result. Let me explain one more time what we are doing here. This is just a starting string up to 100 characters. This is that specific character. Both of these things will be fulfilled with end user stuff. This is counter. Beginning is of course 0. That's logical. Then we are grabbing stuff with the getS function and putting it into some string. Immediately after that we are grabbing target character, placeholder C for characters, pushing stuff using ampersand into character. For loop from 0 until end of that sentence, and we are not skipping anything, so x++. Now that's one part of the story. Another part if that specific character is found as something that do exist in a long string, then of course we are incrementing that character. We can also, well, we can print it. Printf, like counter, counter at the moment, %d, new line, counter, counter, and also we can print counter when we find it, detected that character, and ch. So I don't need to use /n here. Let's concatenate these things. Probably it will work if I didn't mess something up. Let me test that. Test 4 of t's. We are searching for t. Oh, right. Where I need to put next line here. Sorry about that. Test. Let me push this right here. Test. Searching for t. Counter at the moment 1, detected t, blah blah blah. Counter at the moment 4, final one, t, frequency of characters is a final 4. Final 4, I think that's some kind of movie on YouTube, I think. Final 4, or I don't know. I don't watch too many times TV or movies. Well, that's it. This thing works. So important thing here is just this piece of code. If checks inside a for loop. For loop is not classical for loop where you have like a low end and high end, because actually we do have detection here, but you know, it will work just as in the last couple of tutorials when we were detecting number of characters, all of them inside a string. So if this is confusing, you can just disregard it, like something like this, but it will work whatever you like. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support and subscription. Subscribe if you didn't. Send this channel to other people, this tutorial. You're gonna help them, you're gonna help me, and we're gonna see each other in the next tutorial. Thank you and ciao ciao.